We are unboxing a Simpsons arcade 1-up arcade game. And we're going to unbox it and put it together. Let's do this. Okay, we're all done putting it together. Let's turn it on for the first time. Come on. Aw, why isn't it working? Maybe I have to do something else for the first time? Is it plugged in? Hold on, we're having technical difficulties during shipping. That's why it won't turn on, so I hope that's our problem. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh. Ah, you see it? Let's see. Okay, this. This is good. This is good. Seems everything's connected. Everything seems to be. So we have to take this whole panel off. Let me check what the website says. Please put the cabinet switch effective. Unscrew part F and set the side. Remove the X cord in the back of the panel. Remove the back of the monitor and directly plug the Y cord this way. Which one is the excellent? There is no Y cord. X cord. Okay. Okay, let me try that. So instead of using this extension, we're going to plug the power directly in. I hope it works. Put that in. Sound. What is this? Power. Lights. Lights up here, yeah. Wi-Fi. Off. Oops. On. Nope. Still no. Nothing. This will plug the power source and turn the. If successful, you need a proceed to step 5. Okay, step 5. Remove 2 screws from the metal box mounted in the back of the monitor. Okay, carefully remove the ribbon cable from the printed and plug it back in. Carefully remove cable A from A. Okay. Doesn't it work? This just looks like a jumbled up mess. This ribbon cable situation. Okay, unplug it. Let's see what's going on. Can't get a grip on it. Okay, got that. Unplug. Okay, got that. Unplug. Take a look at this. This is quality checked. It just looks really messy. Look at it. You know? Okay. Remove the power cord on the plug it back in. Remove the power cord with the white socket B and plug it back in. the white side. Yeah, I did that. Ooh, the ribbon cable. I was supposed to remove this ribbon cable. No, I think this was really loose. That's why. This one. Remove the wire cord. What? C. I did that. And plug it, ensuring the red wires are closest to the edge. Okay, plug the power source. Okay. Why don't we just unplug this one too and plug it back in? This is for the controller. Gosh, I hope this works. It's like a mini computer. It's kind of loose. Ooh, the holes are so tiny. It's easy to mess up. Okay, I think I was supposed to leave that part in. Now I'm gonna unplug this part, but took the whole thing out. See? Oops. Okay, coming back in. Micro. This must be what it's like to work on cell phones. Everything is tiny now. Tiny. This way or the other way? No, it is this way. Yeah. Each one for each controller. Okay. Put this back in. Okay, plug. Let me double check the image. The red wire is far away from this, so it should be plugged in this way. Maybe it was plugged in the wrong way before. Awkward position. This, right? What is this? This is unplugged, right? Okay. Audio. QC checked. Why but QC checked? Okay, let's try it. Off. Plug it in. Please, Jesus. No, it still doesn't work. Why? I gotta get in one of these, new one of these, one of this. This whole piece doesn't work. I know this outlet works because I did put a lamp in it and it turned on. What are the chances I got a broken one? Okay, to be continued. I gotta contact them now.